How is kosher milk made in modern factories? Have you ever wondered how kosher milk is produced in today's factories? Let's take a closer look at the fascinating process that ensures the milk meets the standards of Kashrut, especially the Chalav Yisrael requirement. Kosher milk production starts at the farm level. The first step is to ensure that the milk comes from kosher animals, primarily cows. A kosher supervisor, known as a Mashgiach, is present during the milking process. This supervisor checks that all milking equipment is clean and free from any traces of non-kosher milk. The Mashgiach must be there or visit frequently to guarantee that only milk from kosher animals is collected. In some modern farms, robotic milking systems are used. These systems identify each cow with a computer chip, which helps prevent any mixing of non-kosher milk. Even with this technology, a Mashgiach is still needed to ensure everything is done correctly. Once the milk is collected, it is stored in special tanks and transported in dedicated tanker trucks to the dairy processing facility. At the dairy, the milk is kept separate from any non-Chalav Yisrael milk throughout all stages of processing. This separation is vital to maintain the kosher status of the milk. The processing steps include pasteurization, fat separation, homogenization, vitamin addition, chilling, and bottling. All equipment used in this process must be kosher certified. This means it is either dedicated to kosher milk or has been properly cleaned if it was previously used for non-kosher products. Chalav Yisrael milk production requires continuous supervision from the farm to the dairy and through to the final packaging. This ensures that no non-kosher milk is introduced at any point. The presence of a Mashgiach or reliable technology under Rabbinical oversight is essential for maintaining kosher integrity. In contrast, some commercially available kosher certified milks follow a leniency established by Rabbi Moshe Feinstein. He ruled that government regulation and inspection could replace direct Jewish supervision in places like the United States. This means that some milk without direct supervision can still be considered kosher by many authorities. However, for those who strictly observe Chalav Yisrael, only milk with continuous Jewish supervision from milking onward is acceptable. If you are looking for Chalav Yisrael milk, check for certification that indicates such supervision. This milk is produced under stricter conditions than standard kosher milk. Farms and factories that produce Chalav Yisrael milk dedicate specific days or equipment for this purpose and have Mashgiachim overseeing every step. In summary, kosher milk in modern factories is produced by combining traditional supervision with modern dairy technology. This ensures the milk's kosher status through careful oversight and separation from non-kosher sources. Understanding this process helps consumers appreciate the care that goes into producing Chalav Yisrael milk.